The best in Japanese cuisine, Oja Hibachi Grill and Steakhouse.
Nancy Lord appeared in court today to make her first court appearance since her arrest for animal abuse and neglect allegations. This morning, Lord was finally granted bail after being detained in the Nye County Detention Center for the past 5 days on a no-bail warrant. Her bail was set at $50,000. That amount is significant because it represents $1,000 for each count Lord is charged with. The prosecution exclaimed in court this morning that Lord has upwards of 40 dogs on her property that are a public nuisance. Lord's neighbors have even discussed their grievances with News 46 about her alleged animal control issues, saying the canines on Lord's property tear up trash, terrorize other neighboring pets, and could potentially attack someone if they keep going over and under a fence that borders neighboring properties. Prior to Lord's absence in court on Thursday, which led to her arrest that afternoon at her home on Peckstein Street, the defendant has also been a no-show at other court proceedings and has gotten numerous continuances regarding this case, which, according to the prosecution, formally began back in September 2014.
We're more than ready to go to bench trial. We have been for 2 previous occasions in this case where Ms. Lord has managed to avoid seeing this go to trial. So if there's a reasonable negotiation that can be reached, that's something that I'll look at. Mr. Gibson announced that apparently they do want to possibly negotiate the case, and I'll sit down and I'll have that conversation with him. But this is, even though it's animal counts, it's a very serious case because there are 50 counts on this.
Yes, it's an older case, and she has a number of, allegedly has a number of dogs that have gotten loose, and over the course of months, every time there's a complaint by a citizen, then that complaint is added to the complaint before the court.
Vance Payne with Nye County Emergency Services confirms that the original 18 dogs taken from Lord's property are still in possession of animal control, but none of the dogs that were at Lord's home last Thursday were removed. She reportedly does not want any of her dogs put up for adoption. Nancy Lord's next court appearance is scheduled for February 16th. This is Unette Gentry reporting for News 46.